Allez, le bleu. J'essaye le bleu. T'arrives?
Ouais. T'as réussi.
Bah, elle est où la face?
Bah, lui, il m'énerve trop, il regarde le truc comme ça et... Ok, watch that. Ok. Hop. I did it. Bon Maxime, comme parfois je m'ennuie un petit peu sur le bateau, on a emmené un Rubik Cube. Comme ça m'énervait que tu sois meilleur que moi, je me suis entraîné. Regarde bien ce que j'arrive à faire maintenant. Tu vois, j'ai tout mélangé là, hop, 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 go. Hey, il est trop fort ton père. En fait ton père il n'est pas aussi bon que toi, c'est juste un sale tricheur, regarde. L'astuce c'est que j'en avais deux et il y en avait un caché derrière mon dos qui était tout propre. Bon, je l'avais quand même fait tout seul.
Rubik's Cube was a huge deal back when I was about 10 years old. 47 seconds, would you believe, I finished the Rubik's Cube when I was 10 years old. Now I can't do it anymore. Around 60 a pound. The technique is to do it by layers. You get yellow, I gotta go like that. Now I'm gonna do the corners, so red, white, green, and just go like that. Now we have one layer.
You can't remember finally?
No, I can't remember how to do the last layer.
I did it in my back. I'm very good. Yeah. You see the video?
I heard.
10 days.
To figure
Fine.
this out.
Yeah.
Nearly a week at sea, and we're nearing the top eastern corner of Brazil. This sort of next few days we need to make a call how close we stay to the coast. Deciding that is then what sets you up going further north. We've had a lot of light wind, a lot of different winds, so it's much more tactical, and it's as hard but in different ways. We're sleeping less, more sail changes. It's different, but it's as hard.